Hi, the idea of this video is to show you more about our product. So what we do is identify the root cause of bugs inside of your code. How we do it is that initially Blar is going to build a knowledge graph, just like the one that you can see here, of the whole code repository of your company. With that information, we have an agent that traverses this graph until it finds the root causes of the bugs. The way that we identify these bugs is through Sentry. We are connected to Sentry, we get the alerts, and when we get the alert from Sentry, our agent gets triggered and finds the root cause of that alert. So I'll show you how it works inside the product. This is how it looks. On the left, you will have a list of all the alerts that we have so far received from Sentry. In this case, it's New Relic, but we have more than one integration. Once you click them, you will see on the right the report that the agent created from that alert. So you have the title, you have the explanation of why did it happen, you have the files and functions that were involved, you have the hypothesis of why did it happen, and you have the solution itself. We want the developer to understand better how does the agent thinks. So we have a tab here called analysis. In this tab, you will have all the nodes that the agent used to actually get to this report. So you can see that it used three different nodes, and in this node, it had this function and this thought. Same thing with the second and third one. Another way of understanding this same information is through the Explorer. If you click here, you will be able to see the whole knowledge graph of your company and also the chain of thoughts or the thinking process that this agent had. So in this case, you know that we are in this node, which has this function, has this thinking, this thought, I'm sorry. Then you click next, and it's going to move forward to the next node and next to the next node. So our idea is for developer to understand better how does the agent thinks, so that whenever the developer receives this report and the root cause, the developer can say, okay, the agent went from A to B to C, and it actually found something there. It makes sense, so I can use it to actually fix the code, which is what we want. So the idea that the developer only from now on only fixes the code, but does not have to spend hours or even days in trying to understand why did the error happen. Um, so yeah, we also have more connections. So for example, you can also integrate to Slack so that you could receive these reports on Slack. And we're trying to integrate into more applications so that it's easier for the developer to just get all this information when it's required. If you have any questions, please let us know. We would love to answer them. Thank you.